Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to revoke mint authority of your smart contract when you create a new coin on Solana. So I know most of you guys been asking me about this particular video, so this is it right now. And the next video I'm going to create right now is how to create the market ID for your token, on how to add liquidity and how to calculate all the liquidity and how you're going to do every single step. Okay, so when you open your wallet, I'm going to drop the link in my description down below to get access to this website. Okay, you open your website. I'm using my phone right now to do this. You can use that on your PC or anything you have, or your iPad or anything you have right there. Okay, so just make sure you have your Phantom wallet install on your PC. Okay, so then you click on the browsing section. So I'm going to drop the link in my description down below for you guys to access this particular site. Revoke mint authority. Okay, if you revoke mint authority, you'll be more secure for buyer. You can do that here, and the cost is 0.1 Solana. Okay, so when you revoke mint authority, you need to most people always check on-chain analysis. Most people are on-chain analysis, whereby they do check the project, the log about the project. They do check all the information about the project before they actually buy. You understand? That's one of the things people do check. And once you revoke the mint authority right now with this, so you have to then that will make your token safe. Okay, so let's connect our wallet right now. You can see Phantom wallet dictated. Click on connect wallet, loading token. So this is how you're going to do it. You're going to click on this side. You click on this side, you select your token. You can see all the token in my wallet right now. I see all the token in my wallet. So in this case, select reward token. So you're going to scroll up. Sorry, let me change. You're going to scroll up to change that particular token that you create, that you want to revoke the mint authority on. Okay, so you're going to click on it. Maybe you can just scroll down to select the coin, and you can just click on the token like this. Okay, then you click on revoke mint authority. It's going to cost you some amount of money. Account doesn't have enough so to perform this transaction. Okay, once you have enough Solana in your wallet to perform the transaction, just click on the revoke mint authority, and you're going to receive a successful transaction down below somewhere right here. Okay, that's all about that. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. Thank you for the support. And if you have any question after this video, please join my Telegram channel. I'm always active there to reply to all your questions and concerns. Okay, thank you guys. See you next video.